Chief Justice Khanna names Justice B.R. Gavai as his successor. Justice B.R. Gavai to take over as CJI on 14th May. Second Dalit to become Chief Justice of India. But who is Justice B.R. Gavai? No top judgments and interesting facts about the next CJI. Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna on 16 April wrote to the Union Law Ministry, naming Justice B.R. Gavai the second most senior judge of the Supreme Court as his successor. Once approved by the government, Justice Gavai will become the 52nd Chief Justice of India. Elevated as a judge of the Supreme Court on 24 May 2019, Justice Gavai will remain in office till 23 November 2025. But who is B.R. Gavai, the next Chief Justice of India? Born on 24 November 1960 in Maharashtra's Amravati, Justice Gavai began his legal career in 1985. He initially worked with the late Raja Bhonsle, former Advocate General and High Court Judge, before starting independent practice at the Bombay High Court in 1987. Justice Gavai focused on constitutional and administrative law. He has represented several civic and educational bodies including the Municipal Corporation of Nagpur, Amravati Municipal Corporation, and Amravati University. In August 1992 he was appointed Assistant Government Pleader and Additional Public Prosecutor at the Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court. He later became the Government Pleader and Public Prosecutor in 2000 for the same bench. Justice Gavai was appointed as an additional judge of the Bombay High Court on 14 November 2003 and became a permanent judge in 2005. He served at the High Court's principal seat in Mumbai. He was elevated to the Supreme Court on 24 May 2019. As a judge of the Supreme Court, Justice Gavai has been a part of several landmark rulings. He was part of the SC majority verdict of January 2023, which upheld the centre's 2016 decision to demonetize currency notes of 500 rupees and 1000 rupees. Justice Gavai has been a part of several constitution benches in the Apex Court which delivered path-breaking verdicts. He was part of a 5-judge constitution bench which in December 2023 unanimously upheld the centre's decision to abrogate provisions of Article 370 bestowing special status to the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir.